Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of rocks and minerals. Today, we will explore their definitions, classifications, properties, and the rock cycle. What are rocks and minerals? A mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic substance with a definite chemical composition and crystalline structure. Minerals are classified into properties and several groups based on their chemical composition. The properties of minerals are color, streak, luster, hardness, crystal habit, cleavage and fracture, and density. While the major mineral groups include silicates, oxides, carbonates, sulfides, sulfates, halides, and native elements. Silicates. These are the most abundant minerals on Earth, containing silicon and oxygen. Examples include quartz and feldspar. Oxides. These minerals consist of oxygen and one or more metals, such as hematite and magnetite. Carbonates, composed of carbon and oxygen. These minerals include calcite and dolomite. Sulfides are composed of sulfur combined with metals or semi-metals. They are often important sources of metals. Sulfates contain the sulfate ion and are typically formed through evaporation processes. Halides are salts formed from the reaction of acids with bases containing halogen elements. They are often soluble in water. Native elements consist of minerals that are composed of a single element. They are rare and often valuable. Now let's talk about rocks, the rock cycle and types of rocks. Rocks. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. The foundation of the Earth's crust is made up of rocks. The rock cycle is a continuous process that forms, alters, and reforms rocks. It illustrates how different types of rocks like igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, which are interconnected through various geological processes. The cycle begins with magma or lava, which is a molten rock beneath or on the Earth's surface. When this magma cools, it solidifies to form igneous rocks. This cooling can occur either beneath the surface, resulting in intrusive igneous rocks, or on the surface, leading to extrusive igneous rocks. Once igneous rocks are exposed to the elements, they undergo weathering and erosion. This process breaks down the rocks into smaller particles known as sediments. These sediments can accumulate in layers and over time become compacted and cemented together, forming sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks can also be subjected to heat and pressure, which transforms them into metamorphic rocks. This metamorphism alters the mineral composition and structure of the original rock without melting it. The rock cycle is not linear. It is a dynamic system where rocks can transition between different types through various processes. For example, metamorphic rocks can be subjected to extreme heat and pressure, causing them to melt back into magma and thus restarting the cycle. In conclusion, rocks and minerals are essential to various aspects of life and industry. They serve as vital resources for economic development as rocks and minerals are important to everyone and every day.